In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Ehlers Stochastic CG oscillator indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to add it to your chart, and how to get into the settings so you can start using it right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. On your chart window, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that to open the Indicators panel. Once the panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or community indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search bar so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now, start typing the name of the indicator. Ehlers Stochastic CG Oscillator. You don't have to type it incredibly fast. Just make sure the spelling is correct so TradingView can find the right one. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. When you see Ehlers Stochastic CG Oscillator appear in the list, move your mouse over it and click on it once. This will immediately add the indicator to your chart, usually in a panel below the price action. After the indicator appears on your chart, you'll want to fine-tune it to match your trading style. To do that, hover over the name of the indicator in the chart legend or on the left side of the indicator panel. You'll see a small gear icon which represents the settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can adjust various parameters such as lengths, smoothing options, and visual styles like colors and line thickness. While the default settings can work as a starting point, it's a good idea to experiment and see what makes the indicator clearest for you. You can always reset back to default if something doesn't look right. Finally, if you haven't already created a TradingView Pro account, use the sign up link provided in my description. That link will take you straight to the TradingView sign up page where you can choose the Pro plan that best fits your needs and ensure you have full access to tools like the Ehlers Stochastic CG Oscillator.